Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a powerful notes database in Notion from scratch or by using a handy template. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organizing all sorts of information, and a well-structured notes database can be a game changer for your productivity, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who likes to keep track of their thoughts. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. We'll start with Method 1, building a notes database from scratch. This approach gives you complete control, allowing you to tailor precisely what information you want to track for each and every note you create. It might seem a little daunting at first, but I promise, it's quite straightforward once you see it in action. First, you need to create the database container itself. You can do this on any existing page in Notion or by creating a brand new blank page. Once you're on your chosen page, simply type a / gapper followed by the word database. A menu will pop up, and you should select Table View. After that, click the New Database button to create an empty table that will become your notes database. This table is the foundation upon which you'll build your organized note-taking system. Next, it's crucial to give your database a clear and descriptive title. Click on the default Urtedild at the very top of the newly created table. I recommend something like Master Notes Knowledge Base or My Ideas, depending on its primary purpose. This title is not just for aesthetics. It helps you quickly identify what this database is for when you have multiple pages open in Notion. Now, let's start populating it. Click into the first column, which is usually labeled Name. Here, you'll enter the title or a brief description of your very first note. Think of this as the headline for your note. As you add more notes, this column will become your primary way of scanning and finding specific entries at a glance. The real power of a database comes from its properties, which are essentially custom categories or tags that help you organize and filter your information. Click the +PA located at the top of the next available column, just to the right of the Name column. This will open up a menu where you can add different types of properties. For a notes database, I find these 3 properties to be incredibly useful. First, add a multi-select property. You can name this tags and then define common tags you might use, such as meeting, idea, work, personal, or research. This allows you to assign multiple categories to a single note, making it super flexible. Second, add a date property. You can name this created or due date, depending on your needs, and it's perfect for tracking when a note was written or when it needs your attention. Finally, add a select property. Let's call this status. Here, you can define distinct states for your notes, like unprocessed, reviewed, action required, or completed. This helps you manage the life cycle of your notes and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's move on to Method 2, using Notion's built-in templates. If you prefer a more guided experience or want a ready-to-go setup with pre-configured properties that have already been thought out for you, using Template is an excellent shortcut. This is a fantastic option for beginners or for those who want to get started quickly without the initial setup. To access these templates, you have 2 main options. You can click on the Templates option directly in your Notion sidebar, which is usually on the left-hand side of your screen. Alternatively, you can click the small drop-down arrow located next to the blue New button, typically found in the top right corner of your workspace. Both actions will open up the Notion template gallery. Once the template gallery is open, you'll see a variety of pre-designed pages and databases. You can browse through the different categories or, more efficiently, use the search bar at the top. Type in terms like Notes Database, Team Notes, or simply Notes. Notion has many excellent options tailored for various purposes, and you're bound to find one that suits your needs. After you've found a template that looks promising, simply click on it to preview its structure. If you like what you see, click the Get Template or Use this template button. Notion will then load a fully functional, pre-built notes database directly into your workspace, complete with example properties and a clean layout. You can then customize it further by adding or modifying properties, just as we discussed in Method 1, to perfectly match your workflow. Whether you choose to build from scratch or leverage a template, you've now successfully created a structured environment for your notes in Notion. This fundamental setup is the bedrock for managing your thoughts, ideas, and important information efficiently. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. You've now learned 2 robust ways to establish a notes database in Notion. Remember, the key to a truly effective system is consistent use and tailoring it to your specific needs. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you're setting up a new database or refining an existing one. Happy note-taking!